I'm Petter.
We're doing the GoPro Summit this year. Getting some laps in before the journey goes on. Let's keep it going.
Going on a little road trip, and we're stuck in Norway with like the grayest weather ever. We'll fill the days with activities.
Yeah. We just got on the bikes. You down?
Yes, sir. Let's go. Oh. 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 Wow. Oh. So damn fun. Wow.
Ser du whip? Så du?
Whip?
Så du den?
Ja.
Ja, det er bra.
Fixing up a new angle for the camera on the foot. It started to dog as well. What is it called? Dugge? Fog. It's starting to fog in here. Okay, let's try it.
Baby, I'm home again.
Let's go kayaking.
Yes, sir. Ski.
We're heading to one of Europe's finest places.
Yep.
Oh shoot. Wind is picking up.
Oh my god.
That was a fun first trip kayaking. Scared too, but we made it.
Let's get down.